Black Lightning, The Book of Secrets, Chapter 1, Prodigal Son. Jefferson suspects that Tobias is behind a recent malicious attack. He brings the news to Henderson, but doesn't. Eventually, Lynn is confronted about her past. Just some like sci-fi, pulling Sokovia chord stuff going on. There's Ramar's in this. Trying to end. There's some family stuff that goes on. There's like some African American stuff. Although I thought it was done better. Luke Cage. Luke Cage gone. Sort of hurts. Disney has Black Lightning is easier watching cable opposed to like a network that's not Netflix or their own network. What are your thoughts? Like and subscribe.